today I really want to kind of set aside the conventional and try the fly. I think you guys maybe like the fly, some of you guys maybe hate it, but I get a lot of requests saying, you know, pick up the fly rod. Hopefully, I want to show you guys some fish that you've never seen before. That's kind of the goal. And along with that, of course, doing it on the fly reel. Oh my goodness, cranked it. Holy moly, he's so little. What's up? Butterfly? That's sweet, man. First species, butterfly, peacock bass. Nice. Oh my God, these guys hammer it. Oh, they're busting. Oh, they are busting. I kind of stopped it that time. I've been having some issues trying to get these fish to commit, but I let it die for a millisecond, and that's what got them to commit. Check that out. There's some action going on back here. Whew. Whew. Oh, there's a little triera. Oh, nice. Second species. It was a small one. These guys are super, super dangerous, super nasty, but they're one of my favorite fish down here. Louis like, do you want the pliers? I'm like, yes. Dude, look at the chompers on that guy. There's a bigger version of these called, I think, the triero, or I don't know. This fish right here is actually nicknamed the wolffish. Wow, that's a sweet fish, man. Oh, he turned face first on my hand. Cool, 2 species down. I had a feeling the spot's a little bit more diverse. One thing I learned in the Amazon is that when you've got all these like trees and roots, there's a lot more places for these smaller, more unique fish to hide in. So that's why we're using the fly, so we can kind of doink a few casts in there. All right, I'm handing the GoPro over to B now. How does it feel to wear one of these? The titty cam.
Yeah, it has 1 bar.
If you need a longer cord, I might have. Are you gonna put it in your chest pocket? Bro, this is definitely your first rodeo. This is gonna be cool. You'll get to see my perspective and then also Brian's perspective today. Or as Scott says, let's get this biscuit. Oh my God, this jacuda. Get him in the boat. Yes, look at this. Dude, the big blotches on this guy look so rad. They look like they'd be kind of dainty and fragile, but they've got some jaws. That was the hardest fighting one out of them all. Out of the wolffish and the peacock, this guy pulled. When you keep them out of water a bit, their heads get a little bit lighter colored. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I swear to God, he's changing colors on me. 3 casts, 3 different fish species. This is why I love the Amazon. Like, yes, big fish, crazy fish, but it's the diversity and like how much like you can catch here and not know what the hell you're catching. That is what's so sweet. I have to switch flies though. Look at that. 3 fish and we're already experiencing a little bit of bent hook syndrome, and I love it. Species number 4.
4?
Yeah.
Is it 4?
Yeah, what is that?
Kunda.
Bakuda.
Bakuda.
Bakuda. Almost like barracuda, but instead of bear, it's bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kind of an interesting fish. Give me a kiss. These triers are posing a bit of a nuisance. Looks really good, actually. Let's toss that around. Dumbbell head clouser. Peacock. Yes. Peacock. Wow. I think this is butterfly. Look how this dude's gill matches my fly. So freaking cool. Just crunched a little cichlid pattern. Peacock number 2 for me, another butterfly. Still need to get that speckled and that papoka. Nice. What is that? Oh, school of them? Oh yeah, look. Oh, shoot. Dude. Oh, doubled. We're doubled, dude. That was so crazy. That was so crazy, Louie. That was awesome. What do you have, a butterfly? Nice. So much fun. Yeah. Alrighty. Whew. Fat one. Just crunched it, man. Nice. First double. Cheers. Cheers to Peacock, to the Amazon. That was awesome, bro. So cool. Gotta slap the line to let him know you're home. Papa's home. Oh! Jesus. Oh, I got blown up too. I was pulling it out for you and I got blown up. Trying to get... Ah! Doubled! Doubled! Dude, yes! That's our 3rd double of the day. On the fly. Crazy. Look, it's a peacock, but look at his head. You see that? He's got a pretty head. Wow, that guy's really pretty. His head is all like colored up and like it's got a weird pattern on it. Hell yeah. These peacocks, they like hide in packs. Like out in the main river, you'll like find maybe like 1 or 2 random ones, and occasionally you'll get into a mess of them. But in this little cut, this creek right here, they seem to be super concentrated to a specific area, particularly these areas, these big logs, right? I mean, that's kind of where we've been getting the doubles. Oh wow, yours is kind of got a cool head too. Slap. They weren't your average everyday peepees, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Yep, doubled, baby! This is just mayhem. More doubles. This is getting cookie. Getting kooky. Double splash. Louis, can we walk on some of this? Yeah, see, like in the bushes. All right, you want to do it? Let's hop off. Let's go find these big ones. When you walk, just shuffle your feet, because then that way you won't get by a stingray. All right, we're doing this. We're getting in the water. We're gonna stalk some of these guys from their home. You ready, B? We're gonna go find these fish. We've seen a lot of really big peacocks like in these bushes eating bait like this big. We've been catching some peacocks, but nothing huge. So we gotta kind of, I think, go to the fish here. They're hiding. It's so funny how the big ones lurk in the shallow stuff. One thing we have to be careful of though is stingrays. There are tons of stingrays in here and they're like legit. Oh, I'm on. That was so cool. What is this, trader? Look at them all go. They're going like ape. Yeah, not a bad trayer, pretty good one. Wow, I just realized I don't have any pliers. This is not gonna be good for me. I also gotta watch out for caiman too, because this, oh, did you hear him clap his claws? Listen to that. Such a dodgy fish to be unhooking with bare hands, but you gotta do it. I got nothing else. I just realized I'm like in a deadly zone right now. There's stingrays, caimans, jaguars not really worried about. Caimans, yes, definitely, especially stingrays. Oh my God, another one. Oh, another one. What is that? What is that? Oh, what is this? We got something new. New species. Looks like a cichlid. Check this dude out. Wow, I've never caught one of these guys before. Look at him. Super pretty. Looks like something in a fish tank. Very, very dope. This is what the peacocks are eating. The big peacocks are eating these giant cichlid. They're pretty weak swimmers. They don't fight super hard. And they're an easy meal. Back he goes. See you, Rick. That was hectic. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, get it, 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 get it. Oh, that was so f***ing cool, man. Trier came out of nowhere and just clapped it. That was so awesome. Let go. Let go. It's so cool. They bite right there. See. Lots, right? Mm-hmm. Decent arowana. Yeah, Louis was saying there's some arowana over here. It's one of the only spots where we kind of found some. If you get out of the boat and you get on the bank, it's really stealthy. You up your chances of getting bit. Oh, what the hell is that? No, it's piranha. You got a little piranha. That's so sick. On the fly, it's my first piranha on the fly. It wasn't really in the mouth, but I'm guessing he swiped at it. True Amazon release here. Peacock and a piranha. He's gonna kick. Not a whole lot of big ones just yet, but we've had a lot of eats. It's tough because like sort of now kind of started from scratch with these fish. Like you figure out a pattern when it comes to lures, but then when you start doing fly fishing, it's like, all right, well, it's a totally different scenario. You're using a different lure, of course, a different imitation. You're fishing this bait at different speeds. You have to figure out if they want it fast, they want it slow. Generally, I mean, usually when you're throwing a lure, they want it fast. Peacocks recently on the fly have been taking it like on the pause or like when I slow it down. Very confusing. So we're doing a lot of the whole trial and error thing. Thank you. Got to get recharged though. We're getting some lunch. Duck. Save him. Look at that. Everything's bigger than the Amazon. Just gonna save little butterfly's life. It's probably a moth actually. Oh yeah, big. Big. Yeah. Yeah. Good one. Whew. Good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Big butter. What is that? Is that Sue? Yeah, grab him. That's sweet, dude. That's the first one we got of that. That's our fourth peacock species of the trip. Wow, dude, bring him in. Ranked me. Very much so. How does that feel? Those ones fight really hard, don't they? They really dig.
Such a predator.
Mm-hmm.
Little dots around it.
Little tiny yellow specks on it. Nice one, man. Wanna pick? Oh no, he came off.
Got it.
No. Oh, nice one. Yeah, there we go. I'm on. I'm on. That's a good one. Oh no, Cayman's gonna eat this. Oh. I got him. Oh, it just hit the camera. That's the size we need on the fly. Oh look, no more hook.
Oh, no more hooks.
Came out. Holy smokes. I just boat flipped that guy in because the caiman is right there.
6.
6. That's a good one. I was hoping to maybe catch that on the fly, but that's okay. Still not a bad angle. See a PP. Alright, let's bounce. A lot of what we film, what goes down in the Amazon, of course, we're filming out there in the wilderness, but I never really stopped to think to take a moment to show you guys what life is like if you book a trip like this and stay on the boat the whole 9 yards. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys where Brian and I have been sleeping for the past, what is it, like 3-4 nights, something like that? I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, so this is our humble abode. Yes, it's a little bit tiny, but it's actually really cozy. Plenty of space for everything we need, and we actually bring a ton of shit. We got 2 big bags, which are clothes and fishing gear, and we got 2 camera bags, 4 bags total, not to mention the rods, shoes, like all the extra stuff, and it all fits in here. But this is it. This is what life on the Amazon is all about. The biggest and the most important thing about this room, though, is this buddy right here, AC, dude. I've got 50 degrees blowing swiftly on the back of my neck, and that feels insanely good. It's comfortable, but it's not like too luxurious to the point where you feel like you're not really experiencing this place. I definitely would not call this roughing it. Sleeping is nice, get a good rest, wake up in the morning, 5 a.m. is start time, 5:30 is breakfast, you get out in the water around 6. You fish from 6 to, I guess, whenever you really want. I think 7 is the cap. We usually come in at 5:30. 5:30, we come in, 6 is around dinner, you eat dinner, you have some drinks, you make some BS about the biggest peacock you caught that day, then you go to bed fairly early, around 9 or 10. 10's pretty late, and then you do the whole thing next morning. But today's a prime example where you don't have to just do peacocks. You can do fly fishing, you can do the tiny creek missions and stuff like that. So again, I think I mentioned this in a prior video, but if you guys want to be on this exact boat, fish in the Kahlua, link in the description. They're really great people. Everyone is super nice, and I'm not just saying that. And they were kind enough to hook us up with a trip too. So come on, that's amazing. I'm peacing out though. I'm gonna fill myself up with some Brazilian food and ponder tomorrow's fishing mission. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Really hope you enjoyed. As always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.